Hi guys, this is Dan from FINLIFE and today we'll be talking about multi-commodity exchange. Multi-commodity exchange आपकी एक स्टॉक है, एक एक्सचेंज है जो लिस्टेड है स्टॉक मार्केट्स पर BSE पे और NSE पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 850-900 रुपीज़ के आसपास का रेट चल रहा है. ये एक्सचेंज है जो फैसिलिटेट करता है कमोडिटीज़ की ट्रेडिंग के लिए. तो मेनली बायर और सेलर दोनों यहाँ पर आते हैं एक्सचेंज पर और मेजरली ट्रेड्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं और बाय और सेल करते हैं ट्रांजैक्शंस. कमोडिटीज़ में, फ्यूचर्स में, कमोडिटीज़ के फ्यूचर्स में और ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते हैं. प्लस मेटल्स के भी काफ़ी सारे इंडेक्सेस वगैरह इधर ट्रेड होते हैं. MCX काफ़ी समय से काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गया रिसेंटली. और अगर इनका देखें तो इसी तरह NCDEX एक और एक्सचेंज है जो लिस्टेड नहीं है लेकिन ऐसे ही सेम तरीके से वो भी ट्रेड करता है. इट इज़, अगर आप MCX को अगर और सिंपली अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं तो वो सेम चीज़ है MCX जो NSE है फॉर स्टॉक्स, उसी तरह MCX है फॉर commodity markets of gold, silver, etc. etc. So let's talk about this company today. Majorly, if we talk about the assets and the market cap of the company, there should be a healthy ratio maintained between the assets and market cap. If the assets of the company are usually more than the market cap, then it can be a decent investment opportunity to get into the stock. Majorly, if we talk about the book value of the stock also, the book value of the stock should be usually more than the current market price. If it is more than the current market price, then it gives you an opportunity, but there will be very less stocks where you find the book value is more than the current market price. So usually it will be low. Debt in the company should be less, but not very less, because then you are losing on the tax advantage. Moving further, we can talk about the sales of the company. The sales of the company have been increasing for 2015 to 2019 at a pretty decent and a good rate. In any company, the sales of the company should not fall down or decrease, because if the sales are falling, that means the people are not interested in the product of the company, and that's not a very good thing. The profits of the company should also be increasing, and we should particularly look at the profit margins. The profit margins of a good company are usually around 10 to 15%. Companies like Apple trade around 15% net profit usually after pre-tax net profit. So that's very important. Moving further, talking about the earning per share of the stock and the future expected earning per share, we can see that from 2015 to 2019, the sales growth and the earning per share of the company has been decent, and it has been growing at a decent rate. Obviously, the earning per share growth rate will be similar to the profit growth rate, because the formula of earning per share itself says that total earnings divided by outstanding shares, or the total profit divided by outstanding shares. Talking about the future earning per share, this has been simply calculated by extrapolating the data of 2019 and increasing it by the current growth rate, which is mentioned on the screen. Further, that is the reason how we've calculated the future expected earning per share. Calculating the PE and the price band in which usually the stock has been trading, you can see how the price has been volatile over the last 5 years and has been increasing or decreasing right here. The PE band of the stock has been in a decent range, but you can see abnormal movement sometimes in some stocks, because the prices of the profits of the stock sometimes increase or decrease massively. So if you check out the formula of PE, it simply says the stock price divided by earning per share, and earning per share is calculated by the profits. So if the profits are very low, your PE will tend to be very high, so we need to ignore those. Moving further, talking about the earning per share, the future expected prices of the stock, this has been simply calculated by multiplying the lowest PE by the expected future prices of 2024. So I just explained you in the last 5 seconds ago in this video that multiplying the lowest PE and the highest PE and the future expected earning per share will give you the lowest price band, and multiplying the highest PE with the future expected earning per share of 2024, that will give you the highest price range. So this is the price range wherein we are expecting that the stock will move, and it is expected to give you decent returns. Talking about the return on net worth and return on capital employed, the company has been faring pretty well and managing decently. In 2018 and 19, we did see the earning per shares and capital employed of many companies have been increasing at a decent rate, majorly because of the political factors brought in by the current government. The cash flows of the company have been managed pretty well also, and they have been moving at a decent rate. The operating, investing and the financing activities, all the activities are in line, and whenever the company feels, it definitely increases its financing activities and borrows money for future expansions and growths. Further, in any company, the auditors are extremely important. So if the auditors are from the big four, it is a major advantage for any company. And if you check out the price here also, it is between the support and resistance, so it can be a decent opportunity to jump into the stock at the support levels. And obviously, if you're trading point of view, if you're checking it out on a trading point of view, you can jump out at the resistance or near the resistance. The dividend yield in the company is low, and the mutual fund holding and institutional holding is not very high. So the company volumes are also pretty decent, so there won't be a problem of liquidity in the stock. If you are checking the video out on YouTube, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Further, you can check us out on our Instagram page, wherein we put in same videos but in a crisp and a small format, so that you can just see the numbers quickly. Further, you can even check out our Telegram, check us out on Telegram and join our Telegram group, because where we continuously keep on posting new and new stuff and content about various ways how you can grow personally, or grow your personal finance. Further, we've got a course on Udemy also. If you like to check it out, please check the description for more details. Signing off, Siddhant Gold from FinLife.